What if every school day began with a brighter start? Not just in attitude, but in actual daylight. At Solatube International, we're changing how students see the world, literally, by bringing beautiful, energy-efficient daylight into every learning environment. Studies show that natural light improves student performance and supports health. That's why schools across the country are turning to Solatube Tubular Daylighting devices. Our patented system captures daylight from the rooftop, transfers it through a highly reflective tube, and delivers it evenly and gently into the classroom. No heat, no glare, no maintenance. Studies show that students with the most daylight in their classrooms scored 20% higher on math tests and 26% higher on reading tests. Solatube is more than a daylighting solution. It's a commitment to student success, sustainability, and smart design. Solatube in education. Bright minds, brilliant spaces.